came to see you. Over there. Did you see what Santa brought you? Did you like it? Look at it.
My Elmo.
Are you gonna see it?
Are you scared?
Does it work? Try to use the choo-choo trains. You like it? Go play with it. Okay. And I see if Daddy wants to play with you. Jaden? Do you want to see if Daddy wants to play with you?
Come on.
You can leave that on. It's cold. Yeah. It's like his animals. Yeah, I see Quincy.
I love to play my trumpet.
Why don't you go show Daddy those choo-choo trains?
I'd sing a silly song.
Look, they got firemen's and policemen's and a boat.
We was playing with it last night. It's just
Look.
okay, steps go here.
Go the other way.
We did good, right, Dad?
This side. Put it back on. Okay. Come on this side. Pull this side. Come over here. Wait, let go. Come over here. Come over here. Here. Yeah, there you go.
I'm not sure. Connected different trains.
You gotta do it from the front.
Look, Jaden, over here. Stand right here. Get it. It's right there.
Okay, guys, you probably can help by moving some of these gifts out of the way so you can play with them.
Okay.